Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will explain how to disable Copilot in Word. So here is a brief story. Yesterday I was using Word and everything was fine. And today I opened Word and I noticed this strange option over here, or a button, so I pressed and I realized it's a Copilot. Now, I'm not going to explain what a Copilot is or how it's being used. However, I don't want to use Copilot in Word. I want to have a freedom to write my own essays and I don't need AI to help me to write. So if you are a person like me, then you would like to disable Copilot. So let's learn how to do that. To disable Copilot, click on File, then click on Options over here, and you have the option Copilot. Simply click here, click OK, and finally Copilot will be disabled. And that's it, simple as that. So here's one more thing to keep in mind. Probably every time you update your Windows computer, a new feature will be installed. So Copilot is one of these features. So always keep in mind what's being installed and keep your computer up to date. However, if you don't like something, just uninstall it.